Parliament in August approved 5 different agreements for the Agyapa Royalties project pending the assent of the President. The Special Prosecutor, in pursuit of the mandate of the office to prevent corruption, wrote to critical institutions including Parliament and the Ministry of Finance for full documentation to carry out a corruption risk assessment for the entire deal, which seeks to raise between $500 to $750 million to finance infrastructure projects on the back of proceeds from mineral royalties through a special purpose vehicle, Agyapa Royalties Limited. A subsequent letter from the Special Prosecutor demanded that the ministry holds on to the launch of the initial public offering of the company on the London Stock Exchange until the corruption risk assessment is completed. In a letter addressed to the Special Prosecutor dated 1st October and signed by a Deputy Minister for Finance, Charles Adu Boahene, cited by CitiNews, government indicated that the IPO, originally scheduled to be launched in September and completed by December 2020, had been suspended, awaiting the verdict of the corruption risk assessment. The letter further stated that the ministry is in agreement that transparency is necessary to bolster the integrity of the already controversial deal, and that the international investor community had been closely monitoring the outcome of the current state of the transaction, and it would therefore be detrimental to proceed without receiving the necessary approvals and green light from the Office of the Special Prosecutor. The letter from the ministry added that it will be required to fully disclose in the prospectus to the transaction the outcome of any investigation by the Office of the Special Prosecutor prior to approval by the respective regulators of stock exchanges in Ghana and the United Kingdom.